Hello everyone, Dragon Goes to Japan, and today I have a kind of a special surprise for everyone. I'm in Oita and I am on Mount Takasakiyama, and it is also known by the name of Monkey Mountain. And I mean monkey as in I'm surrounded here. I'll show you many. There's about 400 to 500 baby monkeys running around as long as adults. So I'm starting off at the far edge first, just kind of to show a little bit of what's going on here. So there's two paths up to the mountain. There is a staircase that is blocked off for the monkeys, one for us, and then a slope to go around for strollers and wheelchair. And yes, that is two monkeys cleaning each other. They're wild monkeys and they're within the vicinity of me, which is kind of interesting. So let me give you a little background here. Over here is an old staircase that goes up into the mountains. I'm assuming, because I can't go up there, that might be part of the old shrine, way up there. This is a temple that is located way up here in the mountains, and it is very cool. Very old, but I like it. There's a monkey right there. There's a lot of them here. So I don't know how much I'm going to talk during this because they're everywhere, and I don't want to not pay attention to what's going on. Some are very old, and some have already tried to come at people. So, and this little one just jumped down next to me and scared me to death. So, but they're everywhere. So, as you can tell, they're kind of just chilling out next to the shrine. I mean the temple, the temple over here that's kind of locked off. So, very interesting. They are everywhere. I'm not kidding. Everywhere. There. And if someone says in the comments below you should get closer, do you really want to approach something that has very vicious teeth, even though it's only a foot tall, to try and talk to it? I don't think so. I'm okay with that. I will just zoom in and make it easier. Tons and tons of these monkeys. So I don't know how long this shrine's been here. I might try to fill it in below if I can find the information, but it is very cool, and they are everywhere. Not just a little bit, they are everywhere. Here is a prime example. There's 3 sitting there, there's 3 up there, and there are some fighting up in the trees. So, a couple taking a break over there. So, this is another thing here. There's a little one crawling up there. So, very interesting. Everything's kind of blocked off too, so they can't get inside. So, very cool, scary idea. But you can get pretty close, but you don't want to touch them. So, I'm not going to get super close to anything that's going to bite me. As you can see, that's pretty damn close. They're sleeping. I mean, everywhere. I mean, just a mountain of monkeys. It's called Monkey Mountain for a reason. And you can even see the old shrine, or the other part of the old part of the temple up there, and it's just covered with monkeys. You might not be able to see very well. Right there, everywhere. Just everywhere, monkeys. So. But just tons and tons and tons.
足開いてっていうのを忘れてました。ね、お猿が足の間座ってますけど、足の間お猿が取ったらいいことがあったよ。
Some are even in these trees. I don't see one in this tree. Everywhere.
そんな話より餌負けって猿に怒られまして、とにかくいいことがあったよってことで口コミで話題になったお猿のまたぐぐりです。よかったらね、運試しっていうことでせっかくですから。元気よく足を開いていただきたいと思います。お猿が近づいてきても絶対触っちゃダメです。触らない。
Sitting, relaxing. There's two babies right here.
ママ見て。ママ見えやった。
Very, very close.
皆さん改めまして本日のご利用誠にありがとうございます。それにしても人気のない係員さんですね。
Tons everywhere.
バケツを持って
They have signs when they were born. Here is a big rock. Most of this facility looks like it was built after.
冬だったらすごい大歓声が上がるんですけどね。どうでもいいんです、この餌は。あんまりもらわなくてもいい。先ほどね、話をしておりますけど、聞いてみたいことありましたら、何でも質問してください。私以外の係員のプライベートのことも全てお答えしますけどね。何でも興味ないと思いますけど。
Little ones everywhere, big ones everywhere. Ooh. There's a little itty bitty one. I mean, I'm close. I'm like 2 feet away. That little baby.
Lunchtime. Monkeys lunchtime.
Oh, lunchtime? Again?
噛まれた印象しか残ってない。皆さんも2回噛まれると思って
Little monkeys. Everywhere. Oh, feeding time. Ooh, cool. Monkeys are everywhere. They're coming. It's like an army. Wow. An army. Wow. Takasakiyama mountain monkey. So many. Hungry too. This is, I think, one fight you don't want to have.
Yeah.
You might be a little outnumbered.
Have you seen the one with the color?
There's a one with a collar.
We're thinking they're Afros.
No, they're trying to track them to see where they're going.
Yeah.
And they're probably a couple. If you see the fence around here, my guess is the fence. A lot of them try to get out. Probably a shot collar. So you keep a couple of them in check. There's a lot. I mean, think about it. It's probably at least 200-300 right here. Look at all of them. And they're coming out of nowhere. Look, I mean, that one just crawled over a fence. So who knows where they go here?
Feather and Miyazaki, they just are free. I've seen them on TikTok.
Here's a grand idea of how many monkeys are here. I mean, look at this. It's an army. It is a small army of monkeys everywhere. Everywhere. And they're fighting over as much weed as they can get.
バリ争いしてるね。けどあっこ首に湧いとるやつ強いやつなんじゃない？わかりやすい。
So many monkeys. That's pretty close. I'm okay with that. I was grabbed by a monkey today too. That's even crazier. Wow. Okay, I hope I'm in frame for this, but just not even 5 minutes ago, I was just grabbed on my leg by a monkey. So it, like, right there on my leg, I was just grabbed. Maybe by this one right here, I don't even know, but I was just grabbed by a monkey here in Japan. I've seen a lot of stuff. There's a pretty big one to my left right now. So, but I mean, this is pretty wild. All things I've seen, I think in Japan, this is pretty much the coolest thing I've seen in a while. Just to see all the monkeys. It's crazy. I mean, everywhere. One's there, just all over. So.
そういう人たちは山の中の自然連鎖だけで生活をしています。7番の近くに今シーズン係員に9割を支給します。お父さん、お父さん、お父さん。もうこういうサメというのがこれが係員に9割を支給。
I fear no monkey and I fear no man.
私、
Interesting.
3ヶ月間終わりました。ずーっと私の行くところに行くところついてきました。事務所に入れば事務所の金網越しになんかトイレに行けばトイレの目の前で天満地。釣りガラス状ですから後ろでこう待ってるのが分かりますね。
There's so many monkeys here. It's a changing station. Don't like little monkeys, got big monkeys. Everywhere. Everywhere, monkeys. And they own the place. Walking by. That's cool. On every level. Wow. Hello. Konnichiwa. Well, I hope you all really enjoyed this trip to Monkey Mountain, because besides the fact that I hear screaming, I see a lot of monkeys, and it's pretty funny wild. I recommend this. If you're gonna come to Japan for any reason, you need to come to Monkey Mountain in Oita, because it's pretty out there. This is Dragon in Japan. Please tune into the next one. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. If you guys know of a cool place I should go and visit, let me know, as I would love to at this point. This is pretty wild. So thanks again everyone for the support, and I'll catch you on the next one.